Muhammad Ali Jinnah, born on the 25th of December 1876 in Karachi, was a key figure in the creation of Pakistan. He was born into a Khoja Ismaili Shia Muslim family, and his religious beliefs played an important role in his life and work. Jinnah strongly advocated for the rights of Muslims, believing in their need for political and religious freedom. He led the All India Muslim League and, in 1940, under his leadership, the Lahore Resolution called for a separate Muslim state, which eventually led to the creation of Pakistan in 1947. Jinnah is remembered as Quaid-e-Azam, great leader, and Baba-e-Qaum, father of the nation, in Pakistan. Fatima Jinnah, born into a Khoja Ismaili Shia Muslim family on the 31st of July 1893, was a renowned Pakistani politician, activist, and the younger sister of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. She became the first female dentist in undivided India, after earning a dental degree from the University of Calcutta in 1923. Fatima played an essential role in Pakistan's creation, and was a close advisor to her brother, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. She co-founded the All Pakistan Women's Association to help settle women migrants after Pakistan's independence. She also served as the leader of the opposition from 1960. In 1965, Fatima contested the presidential election against Ayub Khan, winning the popular vote, but losing the electoral college. Fatima Jinnah passed away on the 9th of July 1967. Sadruddin Hashwani was born in 1940 in Karachi, Sindh, British India, into a Khoja Ismaili family. Hashwani studied at the University of Karachi. In 1960, he started the Hassan Ali Company with his brother. By the 1970s, it became one of the top cotton trading companies in Pakistan. However, the company was nationalized in 1973. In 1978, Hashwani opened the Holiday Inn Hotel in Karachi. In 1981, he opened another Holiday Inn Hotel in Islamabad. Later, both hotels were changed to the Marriott brand in the 1990s. In 1985, Hashwani successfully bought the majority shares of Pakistan Services Limited. This company owned 4 intercontinental hotels across Pakistan. Parvez Amirali Hudbhoy, born the 11th of July 1950, is a Pakistani nuclear physicist, writer, media commentator, and social activist. He belongs to the Khoja Ismaili Shia community. Hudbhoy is known for supporting secularism, freedom of speech, scientific thinking, and education in Pakistan. He strongly opposes nuclear weapons. He taught physics at Quaid-e-Azam University from 1973 to 2020 and also taught at FCCU and LUMS. Hudbhoy founded Mashal Books in Lahore to promote modern ideas through Urdu books. In 2021, he started the Black Hole in Islamabad, a space for science. He has written for international newspapers, like the New York Times, Dawn, and Washington Post. He also worked with global organizations, like the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientists and the United Nations. Aisha Omar, born the 12th of October 1981, is a Pakistani actress, singer, and model from a Khoja Ismaili Muslim family. She is one of Pakistan's most popular and highest paid actresses and is known as a style icon. In 2012, she released her first songs, Chalte Chalte and Khamoshi, which was successful in Pakistan. She won the Lux Style Award for Best Album. Aisha made her film debut with the hit movie Karachi Se Lahore in 2015. Aisha was born in Lahore. Her father passed away when she was 1 year old, and she was raised by her mother. She studied at Lahore Grammar School, and completed her bachelor's and master's degrees at the National College of Art. Since 2009, she has starred as Khoobsurat in the hit sitcom Bulbule, which became Pakistan's most watched sitcom.
क्या?
हाँ भाई, तूने 3 साल नफ्सियाती अस्पताल में मेरा इलाज हुआ है।
मैं महमूद साहब के इलाज की बात कर रही थी आपसे।
Shahzad Roy, born the 16th of February 1978, is a Pakistani singer, songwriter, guitarist, and social worker from an Ismaili Muslim family. He started his music career in 1995 and became famous for songs like and became famous for songs like Sali, Teri Surat, and Kangna. Natasha Beg is a Pakistani singer-songwriter from Hunza Valley, Gilgit. She sings in different styles, including Sufi rock, and became famous for her Burushaski song, Ya Maula.
Ya Maula, Ya Maula, un noor ba Maula, Ya Maula, Ya Maula.
Natasha was born and raised in Karachi, but her family belongs to Hunza, Gilgit. She had no formal music training and grew up listening to artists like Abida Parveen and Michael Jackson. Natasha started her career in 2013 on the reality show Cornetto Music Icons, mentored by Zoe Vikaji. She joined the Sufi music group Sounds of Kolachi and later performed with her own band. She was nominated for Best Emerging Talent at the Lux Style Awards 2017 for her song, Jhoom Le, from the movie Janan. Anita Karim is a Gilgiti Ismaili Muslim and a professional mixed martial artist, MMA, fighter. She is the first international female MMA fighter from Pakistan to win several national and international matches. Anita Karim was born in Karimabad, Hunza Valley, Gilgit, Pakistan, into a family passionate about martial arts. Together, they founded Fight Fortress, one of the first MMA gyms in Pakistan. In honor of her victory, she received 100,000 rupees and a shield of appreciation from the Chief Minister and Governor of Gilgit-Baltistan. On the 19th of February 2020, Anita defeated Estonia's Mari roommate in One Warrior Series 10 with a unanimous decision. Anita continues to represent Pakistan proudly on international MMA platforms and is inspiring young girls across the country.